Name Vandandal. Myself Afia Arfat. I am from ninth standard. So today I am reading a lesson of homework. Homework has historically been given to students to be perfect what they learn at school and unlimited to help them learn the material better. However, too much homework is completed. Homework can take away the kids' social life, family time, and limits their participation in sports or other activities. The amount of homework a teacher has to give to a student should be registered. Thank you, everyone. Everyone, my name is A. Srivalli. I am from ninth grade. I am going to read lesson. The theme of the lesson is true height. As long as Michael could remember, he had always dreamed of flying. Michael's mother read him number of stories about flying when he was growing up. Her stories were always the one that described the land from a bird's eye view. Her excitement and passion for details made Michael dream full of colors and beauty. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Gayatri from ninth standard. Uh, I am reading to I am reading the lesson Little Bobby. Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said, "Go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell Him why you deserve a bike for your birthday." Little Bobby stamped up the steps to his room. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Jessie sat down him and started watching what Bobby was doing. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anna Vakya. I am studying ninth standard. I am saying about the snakes and mirror. The house was not electrified. It was a small rented room. I had just set up medical practice and my earrings were single. I had about 60 rupees in my suitcase along with some t-shirts and dhoti. I also purchased one black coat which I was then wearing. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Smriti Singh. I am from ninth grade. I am reading lesson of homework. Many teachers define large amount of homework, claiming that these help to prepare students for a world that is becoming increasingly quantitative. However, Dr. Kralovers, author of The Ending of Homework, argued that doing homework during high school has little or no effect on successful study skills of the student when they join college. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is K. Sai Prasanna of class 9. Today I am reading the lesson Little Bobby. Bobby came into the kitchen where his mom was making dinner. His birthday was coming up. He thought this was the good time to tell his mom what he want. "Mom, I want a bike for my birthday." Little Bobby was a bit of troublemaker. He had gotten into trouble at the school and at home. Bobby's mother asked if he had thought he deserved a bike for his birthday. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is N. Harini from class 9th. Today I am going to learn the lesson. The lesson name is Mirror, Snake and the Mirror. I looked into the mirror and smiled. It was an attractive smile. I made another shaking decision. I would always keep the attractive smile on my face. To look more handsome, I was, after all, a bachelor and doctor on top of it. Again came the noise from above. I got up and paced up and down the room. Then another lovely thought struck me. I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money and a good medical practice. She had to be fat for a valid reason. Thank you.
Everyone, myself K. Nandini. I am studying in ninth standard. The theme of a lesson is homework. Homework has historically been given to students to reinforce what they learned at school and ultimately to help them learn the material better. However, too much homework is not helpful and can be counted exclusive amount of time spent. Completely homework can take away the kids' social life, family time, and its limit their participation in sports or other activities. The amount of homework a teacher has to give a student should be restricted. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are gathered here about the benefits of reading. Now, reading improves your knowledge. Not only knowledge, we have to improve our vocabulary skills, building and focus and concentration on our reading. Enhances our books, took us the new places and help us to think creativity, reduces our stress for reading our books and makes our mind bring us peace and boosting the confidence. When you are reading regularly, our confidence level will going to be increased. Not only that, the knowledge gained from reading only and improves your memory power. Thank you.